Have you ever heard of the largest bird that can fly? The albatross is a seabird that has an incredible wingspan of up to 3.5 meters, the widest in the world. With these large wings, they can fly thousands of kilometers without flapping their wings. The albatross will use the sea breeze to fly, and they can do it while sleeping. In a day, this bird can fly up to 900 kilometers, and they can around the Earth in 46 days. When they were young, they could live 6 years without ever touching the ground. Their lives were spent in the air, and sometimes in the water. But one day they will return to the ground, and always to the same island, which is in mating season to meet their mate. This is because albatrosses are loyal birds and only have one mate for life. Even if they only meet for a short time, and they will be separated again for a long time.